Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fatimah Ibnatu Arif. Today, I will report to you about the condition of Eid al-Adha prayers during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Eid al-Adha prayer protocol has been issued by the Ministry of Religion in advance, a month before the Eid al-Adha holiday. The positive case of COVID-19 in Indonesia continues to increase with an increase. Jakarta, which is still one of the pandemic epicenter. Secretary of the Indonesian Ulama Council Fatwa Commission said that this year's Eid al-Adha prayers should stay at home with family for Muslims living in the red zone. But in the middle of the MUI's call for prayers to be held at home, several mosques in Jakarta, with 5 regions included in the red category, still plan to hold Eid al-Adha prayers in congregation. Let's go to our report, which was summarized by our reporter Friska Laurencia.
Eid al-Adha, in the middle of COVID-19, there is a mosque in the red zone still planning to hold prayers. People are encouraged to worship at home and prioritize health. The two largest Islamic organizations in Indonesia, the Nahdlatul Ulama and Muhammadiyah, supported the call of the Indonesian Ulama Council, so that Eid al-Adha prayers congregates its mosque in the KSN in the category of the red zone is removed.
We have also received the results of an interview with Mr. Haidar Nasir, the General Chairman of the Muhammadiyah Central Leadership. The following is a summary of the interview by our reporter Fauzia Ejaudi.
Fine, thanks to our host Fatimah. Here I will read the summary of the interview results with Mr. Haidar Nasir. He has said that residents or takmir of the mosque still wanted to hold it Eid al-Adha prayer, especially in the green zone, must still meet several conditions, such as having a large prayer hall to allow distance. First, the place is free, so there can be social distancing or physical distancing with strict health protocols. The implementation also doesn't need to be long. Bring your own prayer mat. Don't shake hands. Everything must be checked for temperature carefully. Can it guarantee that the implementation doesn't exceed capacity? Because we can limit who can come and who can't. When people come, they will feel entitled to worship at the mosque, Haidar told BBC Indonesia.
والحمد لله كثيرا وسبحان الله بكرة وأصيلا.
First, prepare staff to oversee the application of health protocols in the area where implementation. To maintain the smooth running of Eid al-Adha prayers and prevent the spread of the virus, the Ministry of Religion will prepare officers to monitor the implementation of health protocols. Every officer is required to wear standard protective equipment during a pandemic, such as masks, face shields. Second, conduct disinfection in the implementation area. The officers at the mosque who will hold the Eid al-Adha prayer in congregation are obligated to spray disinfectant in the congregational prayer area. Third, limit the number of entrances. Limit the number of entrances and queues for implementation and simplify monitoring of health protocols.
وصحبه وسلم تسليما كثيرا.
Fourth, provide hand washing facilities. According to ministerial regulations, every mosque that hold Eid al-Adha prayers in congregation is required to prepare hand washing facilities such as water and soap, or provide hand sanitizers for congregation participants.
ولله الحمد الله أكبر كبيرا.
Provide temporary checking devices at the entrances or entrance. In addition to hand washing facilities, each mosque is also required to provide a means of checking the temperature at the entrance to the mosque. 6. Apply a minimum distance of 1 meter. Limiting the minimum distance of 1 meter between the distance between one congregation and another congregation in prayer